magkaibigan pa rin kami, ma'am. Hanggang ngayon, wala namang problema doon.
Ma'am,
Yes.
may pronouncement si Senator Amy Marcos. Parang obviously, she's now no longer part of the administration party. Did she even communicate with you? Because you were friends with her.
We're still friends, ma'am. Opo. Inimbita nga niya ako doon sa second hearing, ma'am. Unfortunately, the last 4 days dito medyo hectic na siya kasi tinatapos na namin yung organization at sistema. So medyo hindi ko na, at saka 3 AM kasi sa oras natin dito yung kanilang hearing doon. So medyo mahirap talaga siya para sa akin na umattend ng second hearing. Pero kung meron namang future hearings na meron silang tanong sa akin tulad ng kung anong nangyari sa Hong Kong or anong nangyari pagdating ni Pangulong Duterte sa Manila, willing naman po ako sumagot. At yes, so yun, inimbita niya ako, ma'am, kaso hindi kaya ng schedule ko na gumawa na umattend online. But I am open in the future hearings in the event that she needs my input in the committee hearings that she is conducting in the Senate. At magkaibigan pa rin kami, ma'am. Hanggang ngayon, wala namang problema doon. I think siguro I would like to believe, I do not know her side, but I would like to believe that the friendship is already beyond politics dahil sa mga nangyari. Hindi magandang nangyari at meron pa rin kaming open lines of communication. Dalawa lang yun, ma'am. It's either nagpa-plastikan kami or it's really beyond friendship. I would like to believe that it's beyond politics already. So I would like to believe it's a friendship beyond politics already.